Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and this is Chinelo's Corner. So from the look of things, guys, I'll be making plantain porridge today. Yes guys, so I'll be making plantain porridge. I've made this before. If you go down to my videos, you will see I've made plantain porridge before, but today I'm making a little bit of twist to it. I am adding cow skin. Yeah, here I have cow skin and goat meat already seasoning. I boiled it with seasoning and salt, and here I have the stock also. Here I have onion, I have salt, I have tomato, I have tomatoes here, fresh pepper, crayfish and onions blended already. I have two seasoning I'll be using. This one contains crayfish. This is tasty. I have tasty cube here, crayfish flavor. I have Knrr cube here, beef, and I have Gino tomato paste here. I have pumpkin leaf. That is my vegetable that I'll be using today. I have my vegetable oil. I have all this and salt. Yeah, I have salt to taste here. I don't know if I've mentioned it. So guys, let's dive into it. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. A big welcome to you. My returning subscribers, I love you all guys. Thank you for always coming back. Let's dive into the kitchen and do the business for today. Let's prepare dinner. Let's prepare a very special healthy dinner, plantain porridge. So guys, let's start up. The oil is already heating up, so I'm gonna add my onion right now and start up. Next up guys, I'll add up my blended tomatoes, pepper, onion and crayfish. So we allow this to get dried. The water we use to blend it, let's allow it to get dry. Guys, I want to add my tomato paste right now. The tomatoes and the pepper is almost dried. So I'm not turning too much. I'll still get the result I want. Or the reason why I added it first. The reason why I added the paste now is because I want that sour taste to get cooked and go away. That's why I added the tomato paste. So it will get dried with the tomatoes, pepper, onion and crayfish. Everything will blend together. Yeah guys, I have my sauce the way I want it now, so I'll just add salt. I'll go ahead and add salt now for taste. I'll be adding Knrr cube first. So yeah, as you can see, it's dried now. Guys, you see it's thick now, as in the sauce is the way I want it to be. So what I'll be adding next is the stock I use in boiling my cow skin and goat meat. So here it is guys. For now, I will just add that. When I add my plantain, I will add the remaining one. This one is for a purpose, just to allow everything soak into the cow skin and the goat meat. So when you are eating, when you come across, when you jam the cow skin and the goat meat, it will taste nice in your mouth. So here I'm adding it right now. So what I'll do now, guys, is to cover it, allow it to boil, then I'll put off the heat, then go over to peel my plantain, slice it as I want it to be. Then I'll come over, pour this one into it, add water, add more salt and more and seasoning. I'll add my vegetable, then allow it to cook, and our plantain porridge is ready. So guys, let's go. Guys, can you see that? I'll put off the heat now and allow it to do its thing. Guys, this is how I slice my plantain. I love it this tiny because it enables you get all the ingredients mixed up with the plantain. So you are just chewing everything as if you are eating beans. Yes guys, that's how it is. That's how I prepare my own. I see some people cutting or pieces. I see some people slicing their own in a bigger size, but this is how I love it. This is how I learned from my mom, and I love it. If I should make it big, I will not like it, so I just prefer to cut it into bits like this, and by the time it's done, everything will just cooperate, everything we mix up together, and you are eating it, you are just eating everything. The plantain is not different, the ingredient is not different, everything will just cooperate. So yes, this is how I love slicing my own plantain. So is it the video choice? But this is my choice, slicing it big. Yes. I finished slicing our plantain. As you can see, ready to do the last stage. Yeah. So I'm going to pour the remaining meat stock into the pot now. Here it is, guys. So my sauce, as you can see, salt for taste, guys. Okay. So if this water is not enough, by the time it's done, I'll add more. For now, I'm using this one to cook it. I'll go ahead to add a little bit of red oil to give it that raw oil taste. Guys, can you see how beautiful this is? Can you see how inviting it is? Can you see how mouth-watering it is? Yes, guys, remember we have cowskin here for more. We have goat meat here. We have crayfish and all the, whatever that makes it special. I even added ugba, if you know what I mean. So yes, guys, can you see? Why not try this out soon? Don't tell me you not enjoy watching this. So go and do your own. Me, I want to enjoy my own right now.